Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today I'm bringing you a complete guide on Scabisan, also known as permethrin. This medicine, available in cream and shampoo, is great for treating certain skin conditions. Let's find out everything you need to know. First, what is Scabisan? It's a treatment applied to the skin, mainly to eliminate scabies and lice. Its active ingredient is so powerful that it eliminates these annoying parasites that affect the skin and scalp. So how does Scabisan work? Permethrin, its special ingredient, paralyzes and kills parasites by interfering with their nervous system. If you use it correctly, it will help you solve the problem quickly. Let's talk about how to use it. The cream is applied all over the body, from the neck down to the feet. Leave it on for 8 to 14 hours before taking a shower. The shampoo, on the other hand, is applied to the scalp and left on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Follow these instructions carefully so the treatment works as it should. It's important to mention the possible side effects and precautions. Some people may experience irritation, redness, or itching. If you have a strong reaction, like an allergy, stop using Scabisan and see your doctor right away. Also, don't use Scabisan if you are allergic to permethrin or any other ingredient in the product. In short, Scabisan is a very useful tool against scabies and lice. Just remember to follow the instructions carefully and be aware of any side effects. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, consult with your doctor before starting any treatment. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.